Welcome to online lecture series. Our subject is operation research. Unit 1 allocation. Lecture 5 problem continuation. Problem 2. A firm manufacturer two types of products A and B and sells them at a profit of rupees 2 on type A and rupees 3 on type B. Each product is processed only two machines G and H. Type A requires 1 minute of processing time on G and 2 minutes on H. Type B requires 1 minute on G and 1 minute on H. The machine G is available for not more than 6 hours 40 minutes, while machine H is available for 10 hours during any working day. Formulate the problem as a linear programming problem. Look here. Here, two types of products are there. So, we have to take two decision variables x1 and x2. x1 units of product A or type A, x2 units of type B. So, what is our cost? Unit cost of type A rupees 2, unit cost of type B rupees 3. So first you form a tabular form for this problem. Solution for x1, let x1 be the number of products of type A and x2 be the number of products of type B. Now the given data can be arranged in the form of following table. Machine GH, time of production in minutes 1121, available time 400. How to get 400? What the time is given here? 6 hours 40 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 6 hours, 6 into 60, 360 plus 40, 400 minutes. So, 600 minutes. Profit per unit 2 rupees, product A, rupees 3, product B. In above problem, you need to use tabular form. Here we use table. So, what is your objective function? Since the profit on type A is rupees 2, so 2x1 will be the profit on selling x1 units of type A. Similarly, 3x2 will be the profit on selling x2 units of type B. So total profit is Z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. How to write constraints? Since machine G requires 1 minute time on type A and 1 minute time on type B. The total number of minutes required on machine G is x1 plus x2, x1 into 1 plus x2 into 1, x1 plus x2, and machine G is not available for more than 400 minutes. Not available means maximum 400 means, so we get 400 or less. So x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 400, that is our first constraint. Since machine H requires 2 minutes time on type A and 1 minute time on type B, so the total number of minutes required on machine H is 2 into x1 plus 1 into x2, 2x1 plus x2. But machine H is not available for more than 600 minutes. So 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 600, that is second constraint. it is not possible to product negative quantities, that is x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0, non-negative restrictions. Hence, the LPP of the given problem is as follows. Find x1 and x2 such that maximize z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 subject to constraints x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 400, 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 600, and x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0. Sometimes we write using this tabular form. Here our objective function is profit function, so use maximum z is equal to 2 into x1 plus 3 into x2. Subject to the constraints 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2 less than or equal to 400. So x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 400. 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 600. And x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than 0. Using this table, you write linear programming problem, but we have to express our linear programming problem verbally. So write each and every step clearly and then express mathematically. Third problem, you do homework. Now fourth problem is a nutrition scheme for babies is proposed by a committee of doctors. Babies can be given two types of food which is available. Standard packets weighing 50 grams. The cost for packet of these foods are rupees 2 and rupees 3 respectively. The vitamin availability each type of food per packet and minimum vitamin requirement for each type of vitamin are summarized in the table. Develop linear programming problem model to determine the optimal combination of food type with the minimum cost such that the minimum requirement of vitamin in each type is satisfied. So vitamin 1, 2. Details of food types. Type 1, type 2. Type 2. This is type 2. So minimum vitamin requirement. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 8, 6, 14. Cost rupees 2, rupees 3. Cost means we have to write minimum Z. Profit means we have to write maximum Z. So for you write, let x1, x2 be the units of type 1, type 2 foods respectively. The cost of type 1 food per unit is given rupees 2. So x1 units cost of type 1 food is 2x1. 1 chocolate is 5 rupees. 10 chocolate cost 10 into 5. So food per unit is 2 rupees. x1 units, 1 unit food is 2 rupees. x1 units, x1 into 2, 2x1. Cost of type 2 food per unit is rupees 3. x2 units of cost of type 2 food is 3x2. So total cost Z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. This is our objective function. Minimum requirement of vitamin type 1, that is given in the table 1, and type 2 is 1. So how to write the constraint 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2. So hence the minimum requirement is given 6. So our constraint is x1 plus x2. Minimum means at least 5 means 5 or above. So we have to write greater than or equal to symbol. So x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 6. That is our first constraint. Next, minimum of requirement of vitamin type 2 is 7. This is the type, not type 2. This is the type 1. Type 1 is 7. Next, and type 2 is 8. So total minimum vitamin type 2 is 7 into x1 plus 8 into x2. Here the minimum requirement is given in the table 14. So 7x1 plus 8x2 greater than or equal to 14. This is our second constraint. So number of units is non-negative. So x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0. Hence LPP of given data is as follows. Find x1 comma x2 such that minimum Z, cost relation. Getting profit means you write maximum Z. Getting here cost type problem, so you write minimum Z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 subject to the constraints x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 6, 7x1 plus 8x2 greater than or equal to 14. And x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0. So problem 5. A company produces 2 types of hats. Each hat of the first type requires twice, means 2 times, twice as much labor time as the second type. If all hats are of the second type only, the company can produce a total of 500 hats a day. The market limits daily sales of the first and second type to 150 and 250 hats, assuming that the profits per hat are rupees 8 for type A and rupees 5 for type B. Formulate the problem as a linear programming model in order to determine the number of hats to be produced of each type so as to maximize the profit. So solution. Let the company produce x1 hats of type A and x2 hats of type B each day. 1 hat cost of type A is rupees 8. x1 hats cost of type A is 8x1. One hat cost is 8 rupees. x1 hats, x1 into 8, 8x1. 1 hat cost of type B is rupees 5. x2 hat cost of type B is 5x2. Total cost is Z is equal to 8x1 plus 5x2. This is our objective function. Since the company can produce at the most 500 hats in a day and a type of hats require twice as much time as that of type B. So 2 times of x1. So 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 500. But there are limitations on the sale of hats for different types. 2 types. First one is 150, second one is 250. So x1 less than or equal to 250, comma x2 less than or equal to 250. This is 150. This is 250. The company cannot produce negative quantities. Number of hats non-negative. So x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0. Hence the linear programming problem of given data is as follows. Find x1 comma x2 such that maximize Z is equal to 8x1 plus 5x2 subject to the constraints 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 15, x1 less than or equal to 150, x2 less than or equal to 250, and x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0.